The plunger rod drives the plunger to push the caulk through your caulk gun. This plunger is longer and works with 20-ounce sausage-style caulk tubes. The plunger rod can be accidentally bent if the gun is dropped. It might be lost if you convert the gun back and forth from 10-ounce tubes to 20-ounce. Replacing the plunger rod is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cartridge from the caulk gun. I'll unscrew the cartridge from the mounting cap. Then pull the cartridge away from the plunger. Now I can remove the plunger from the rod. Now I can remove the rod from the caulk gun. And now I can install the new rod. I'll need to transfer the handle from the old rod to the new. The handle is secured with a number 25 Torx, but it's a security Torx. Security Torx is the type of screw that has a pin in the center where you attach the driver. So you'll need a special security Torx driver. This is a driver that has a hole in the center to match the pin. I'll remove the screw, and then I can pull the handle away from the rod. I'll transfer it to the new rod. Notice there's a pin on the top of the rod, and that needs to match with the slot on the handle. And I'll secure the handle with the screw. Now the rod's ready to go back into the caulk gun. I'll insert the rod into the hole on the back of the caulk gun and push it into place. Now I can reinstall the plunger. I'll place the back of the plunger onto the rod and secure it with the screw. And I'll finish by installing the barrel back onto the gun. And now you know how to install a new plunger rod in your caulk gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.